Hindi lang yan. Meron silang libreng pampabango. Ihirayan isang buo. Wala baka 16,000 yung nanonood. Ay kumapak po. Ay kumapak po ba? Ay wala. Pero sige na po. Ha? Nakakalimaki. Tsaka nakalayo ako. Tumatay ka kanina, no? Oo. Sabi niya, amoy eh. Okay. Hello sa 16.4 viewers. What's up? What do you wanna see? Tell me. Tell me what you wanna see. You wanna see me? Or you wanna see me? Or you wanna see me? What do you wanna see? Tell me. Tell me. Tell me in the comment section. Do you wanna see? Or you wanna see? Or you wanna see? Tell me. Tell me, baby. Tell me what you wanna see. Hello, di ko alam ano nangyayari sa akin. Hello po sa 17,000 viewers. Pasensya na po kung aga-aga nag-iingay na po ako. Wala naman po akong ginagawang tama. Hindi ako natutuwa sa'yo. Hi, bro. Anyways, samahan niyo ako maligo. Joke lang. Happy birthday sa lahat ng may birthday ngayon. Happy birthday. Mag-ibigis na ako, teka. Pero bago na, magsilamas ko na tayo. Sa kanya na lang mag-ilamas. Kata-kata ng loob. As soon as I set foot and try, as soon as I set foot and try to make myself alive, I see your eyes, they good in mine. Happens all the time, then you tell me I can't get you off my mind. Come and get me some, let's go find it, love. Gusto ko ba thank you sa inyo guys. Nakita ko yung music video ng Rome. Nasa 300k views na. Thank you. Salamat po. Listen to what I'm about to say. You'll find the answer. Pagkakalay, ano ba? Darling, it's so pretty, I see me flowing your body. Picture perfect movie, drowning feels like I don't want it in it. Savor every bit of it, cause we're not in a hurry. I hate to break it to you, but in this room there's no one living. Can you read the room? Can you read the room? Can you? I hate to break it to you, but in this room there's no one living. hilamos. Naghilamos na ako kanina. Ang bobo.
Sarado.
Yeah, I'm done. I'm done with you. Pinanood mo kayo ng Jessica Soho kagabi. I would like to thank Miss Jessica Soho and the team for featuring me last night. Maraming salamat po. Bukod sa na-interview ako, na-promote pa yung bago kong song. Maraming salamat po, Miss Jessica. At sa mga nanood po, maraming salamat din sa inyo. Sana nang bumati sa aking birthday ko. Thank you. Friends, family, 18, SB19, and the casual peoples, ano ba ba? Mga ninangs namin, maraming salamat. Mga nagpadala ng cake. Thank you so much. I love you all. I love you all. Please keep that in mind. So, kailangan ko mag-visa tayo. Samahan niyo ako mag-visa. Baka sabihin ng mga tao kung ano yung pinagkagagawa ko. Siyempre hindi pwede. I'm wearing 1 million shirt. Eh, I feel like... Ang hyper ko. Ganun ba pag kumakain ng breakfast na kain sa umaga? Baby, I'm the one you up there. Hey. Can you read the room? Huh? Can you read the room? Huh? Can you read the room? Yeah. Take a look. Sino yan? Shoes na lang. Shoes na lang. Saan yung rehearsal? Okay. Pero kung hindi matanggal. Ay, shucks. May matulis. I know tapos na yung birthday ko pero patuloy niyo pa rin akong binabati at nararamdaman ko pa rin ang support niyo until now. So, yeah, maraming salamat. And naniniwala akong hindi pa tapos akong birthday celebration dahil may mga nararamdaman pa akong mangyayari. Anyways, ingat kayo today. And kung may mga lakad kayo, mag-ingat kayo. See you soon. Sa mga manonood sa June 6 at June 18 sa Araneta, see you po. Para sa Hitman. And sa mga nasa US and Canada, see you. anyways, again, thank you so much guys. Kita-kita po tayo mamaya sa event namin dito sa Agusan, and yeah, maraming salamat ulit. And keep on streaming Room sa lahat ng music platforms, and stream also the music video on YouTube. Maraming salamat sa support guys, and have a great day. Always remember, Daddy still loves you. No, I love you. Bye. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. See you. Bye-bye. Love you. Ingat ka. Bye.